Hey, what's up guys? So today is another video content for you guys about understanding some basic things about the machines, the way we interact with them, whether you're using a desktop or a laptop. Try to advise a lot of people, a lot of customers and clients, especially if you are walking into a shop. Have in mind the kind of laptop you have. If you are going to buy either a ThinkPad, or you are going to buy, a Dell Precision, or you are going to buy a MacBook Pro or iMac, have in mind what you are going to look for so that you save yourself a lot of time and you choose the best which you want. Let's say, for instance, I'd use the case of myself. If right now I was to go into a shop, the laptop I have in mind is Lenovo ThinkBook 16P Gen 4. That's an example. I have other choices, but that's an example. So I already know the kind of RAM it has, 16 plus, depending on the specs that are in, or maybe 32. Let me put it at 32, bare minimum. And then the internal storage is 1 TB SSD. You know the kind of keyboard it has, I know the ports that it has, and I know the hinge, how it, even though I haven't felt the hinge, I have seen the videos how it is opening. You can watch videos on YouTube or on the manufacturer's videos. Maybe it doesn't give you 100% kind of feel, but it gives you a general idea how it works. So when you walk in, you're just verifying the product as it is, as the way it was being marketed on website or third-party resellers. So here in Nairobi, we have third-party resellers, a lot of them. So some import them, others are just companies that have opened their shops inside Kenya. So you find that if you walk into a third-party reseller, you will have to verify the product that you saw online. So you have in mind what you want to buy, because we want to avoid a scenario where you guys are walking in green, you don't know what you're looking for. Even you don't know if you have walked into a laptop shop. It happens. Some people even are wondering whether it's a laptop or a phone shop. So you go there, you're looking at this laptop, you're going to look in this laptop, you're looking at that laptop. So you even don't know what you want. You're just being guided like, you are being taken like a cow through, the mazes to find greener pastures. So don't do that, guys. Just have information in your head. Go and just verify. And you walk out as a smiling person. We don't blame you guys. We are all human beings. There's always first time for everyone. I also had my first time. But for those who are listening to me, always make sure you already have information in your mind. Well, never or whenever or wherever or however you are going into a laptop shop shopping for your first, second, or third laptop. Always have in mind what you need to buy so that you avoid wasting time trying to figure out what you have. Some people even just go on their phones, just checking, reviews. Like, seriously, guys, you had a lot of time before coming into the shop. It's not like it was when God made light that's when the laptops came in. Doesn't make sense, guys. You have a lot of time to do your research. Just go into the shop and get what you need. And then the other thing, guys, I need you to do, know what you are buying for. You get for what you pay for. So if you have bought your laptop at a low cost and you're going to use it for an intense work, you're going to get the results of your purchase. So buy wisely, buy smartly, do your research. Thank you, guys. And before I leave, there is this offer we are giving as Wingu Techspot. Is another side-loaded service where we have tailored Adobe CC apps for personal or home users, for businesses and schools. If you go to our Facebook page, I will attach it down below. You will see some of those posts. I will also attach here, right? Like, I think this side. So see this poster, guys, and make a right choice of whatever that suits you. Whether you're a home user, whether you're a business, or if you know any school that needs Adobe CC installation packages. Remember, guys, we are not reselling Adobe CC apps. We are offering services. They are terms and conditions Adobe offers, and there are our terms as Wingu Techspot. So know that. So those of you who think like I am selling Illustrator, like as though I'm selling this phone, no. I am selling a service. That service includes installation, verification, and optimization. Optimization means that it is working well under your PC environment. It's not installing and just going away. We don't do that. So you install, you verify, and you check the conditions are good, whether the app is running well, there is no crashing or any bugs happening. Because sometimes you might install an app and it crashes. There was an InDesign version I installed in my laptop. It was the latest. Then it was behaving funny. Like if I open it, it crashes. I open it again, it crashes. Just had to like lower that version so that I get one which is compatible. So guys, if you have questions in regards to the main topic today and in regards to Adobe CC services, which I pointed right here, feel free to comment down below. You can call, you can visit our Wingu Techspot Facebook page and see our offers, and WhatsApp us wherever you find it. We are serving the people who are closest to Nairobi first because of coordination and travel. It's easier. But for those who are remote, we can only offer mostly personal because of logistics. Some of you may be very far. Unfortunately, it will be hard for me to travel at the moment. But if you are well off, you can do that. But the main thing, guys, that's the offers we are offering for Adobe installation service. So thank you and see you. Bye bye.